He led Egypt's finances through the tough times and political instability of the last 3 years. Yet Hesham Ramez announced he's not continuing for another term. He said he's done his best for the country, and international institutions agree. Last month, Ramez was selected as the year's best central bank governor in the Middle East and North Africa by the IMF and World Bank.
He worked in tough conditions, no sources for hard currency. The main source of income, tourism, dropped drastically from $14 billion in 2010. And instead of increasing by a targeted 30%, it fell to $7 billion. That's a 50% loss in income. And export also dropped in the last 9 months by 22%.
The newly appointed Tarek Amer is a widely respected former central bank deputy and former chairman of the National Bank of Egypt. He's been a success in both posts, but he takes over in the midst of a crisis. The Egyptian pound is devaluating on a weekly basis, and foreign reserves dropped from $20 to $16 billion in only 3 months. He's got a handful ahead of him.
He helped solve the problems in the financial sector in 2004. He was the deputy central bank governor then, and problems were the same as we face now. The pound dropped against the dollar, the black market was flourishing, and there was no foreign currency. He worked on stabilizing the financial market and the Egyptian pound against the dollar for 5 years. He also built the foreign reserves from scratch. Foreign reserves were zero then.
The main challenge for the new governor is that he will have to work alone. Oil Gulf money has helped stabilize Egypt's foreign reserves in the last 3 years, but it has stopped now, and he has to find alternatives to fix the economy. Yasser Hakim for CCTV, Cairo.